Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Today we meet again. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Kamaluddin. My matrix number is 15DEM 19F1047. I am student from Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah, studying in course Diploma Engineering Mechatronic for SEM 3. For today's video, I want to make an explanation about the subject Industrial Electronic for subtopic chapter 5, which is sensor. So let's look up the first of all, let me explain a little bit about the definition of the sensor. The sensor is a device which detects of measure of physical property and records, indicates, or the otherwise respond to it. Next, I will list out the 10 of types sensor with the works operation, advantages and disadvantages, and application. So stay tuned. The first sensor is temperature sensor. The temperature sensor is sense the temperature around us, and it measure the change of the temperature in our environment. For the advantages of this sensor is support wider temperature range, and it is more cheaper than other sensor. For the disadvantages, it is not linearity and it is least stability. And the application for the sensor is most used in mobile phones, automobile, and air conditioner system. For the sensor number 2 is proximity sensors. Proximity sensor is the sensor that detects the presence of an object and using different techniques like optional. For the advantages of this sensor is not affected by atmospheric, dust, rain and snow, and sense distance wider. For the disadvantages, it has difficulties reading reflection from small object. And for the application for this sensor is used in mobile phone, car parking sensors, and object alignment in industry. For the third sensor is infrared sensors. The infrared sensor used as proximity sensor, and it is light-based sensor that used in various applications like proximity and object detection. For the advantages of this sensor, it provides good stability and has faster response time. For the disadvantages, it supports shorter range object detection. And for the application in this sensor, it is used in robotic, industrial assembly, and mobile phones. For the fourth sensor is ultrasonic sensors. The ultrasonic sensor measures distance as well as velocity of an object. It works based on the properties of the sound wave with frequency. And for these advantages of the sensor, it is capable of sense of all the material types and provide good reading in sense large object. And for disadvantages, it is very sensitive to temperature. For this application of sensor is used in robotic obstacle detection system and manufacturing technology. For the fifth sensor is pressure sensor. The pressure sensor used to measure the variable such as fluid, gas flow, speed, and water level. This sensor has advantages directly measure pressure level as well as difference in the pressure. For disadvantages of the sensor is too expensive and too difficult to find. And for the application of the sensor is used in measure upstream and downstream of a proportional metering valve. For the sixth sensor is humidity sensor. The humidity sensor works used to measure the humidity for its environment and convert its findings into a corresponding electrical signal. For this sensor, It advantage high accuracy and can withstand below temperature 0 degrees Celsius. And for these advantages, it has limited long-term stability and sensitive to certain aggressive substance. For this sensor application is used in air conditioner system and also used in meteorology station. For the seventh sensor is smoke, gas and alcohol sensor. This smoke, gas and alcohol sensor, also known as MQ3 sensor, it detects ethanols in the air. And for this advantage for the sensor, it's simple and low cost technology and measure flammability of gases. And for the disadvantages, it's require air of oxygen to work, and it can be poisoned by chlorine and silicon. For the application of this sensor is most used in industry for leakage gas. For the eighth sensor is light sensor. The light sensor, it is a passive device that convert light energy into electricity. For the advantage of this sensor is needs small voltage and power to operate and easy to integrate with lighting system. And for these advantages, it can withstand voltage above 1000 voltage. And the application of this sensor is used in mobile phone and tablets. For the ninth sensor is tilt sensor. This tilt sensor measure the tilting position with reference to gravity, and they enable the easy direction of orientation or inclination. For this sensor advantages is consume low power to operate, and tilt switches are very small in size. For disadvantages, based by mercury and require gravity for its operations. And the application for this sensor is used in the analog from the gaming controller. For the last 10 types of sensor is accelerometer sensor. For this accelerometer sensor it is an electronic sensor that measure the acceleration force acting on an object. And for disadvantages of this sensor is it has high impedance and it has high frequency response. And for disadvantages for this sensor is it requires external power and sensitive to temperature. And for the application, it's used in automation system, which is crash and vibration detection of a car.